Here come the 4 cars. And look, here comes a pink cement truck and a crane and a police car. Oh, so many vehicles, and they are all stopping. Why are all these vehicles stopping? Cars, go and find out what is happening. Oh, there has been an accident. There was a truck carrying building bricks. Hey cars, shall we see if we can help? Okay, first let's put the truck back onto its wheels. Oh, is it heavy, Blue Car? Perhaps we need someone strong to help us. Like this crane. Okay, attach that magnet. And again. Oh, help us please, Blue Car. Great. The red and green cars are collecting the unbroken bricks from the road. Here's the yellow car to help too. But look at all these broken bricks. There is another unbroken brick there. That's it. All the unbroken bricks are back on the truck. But shall we clear away all these broken bricks, cars? Each car must take a bucket and a colour shovel. Yellow shovel for you, yellow car, and a red shovel for the red car. Green shovel for you, green car, and a blue shovel for the blue car. This is for the red car. This is for the yellow car. One for the blue car. And one for the green car. Okay cars, let's shovel up these bits of broken brick. There are a lot of broken brick pieces. Look at all that the cars have collected. Shall we repair this hole in the road, cars? Here comes a machine called a grader. And it fills the hole in the road. Now the hole is filled, cars, but can you paint white road marks? The cars paint white lines onto the road with this special white paint. Well done, cars. It looks perfect again. And now all the vehicles can continue on their way again. Thanks again to the cartoon cars. Where are you going today? Oh, careful, Blue Car. What happened? Did you drive into a hole in the road? Oh, and now the red car rolled over. What happened? Oh, I see. There is another hole in the road. Hey cars, do you think you can help to fix it? Okay, then first we need to put some traffic cones around the damaged part of the road. Why? Because the cones will help other cars to see that they must not drive over that part of the road. Look, that crane and cement truck saw the dangerous hole and drove around it. I think we need to build a special tarmac truck to repair this road. Shall we put all the parts together? This is the body and the engine. Here's a blue cabin And this is the chute where tarmac comes out. Here are rollers, and these two caterpillar tracks go around the rollers. Is it finished yet? No, the front wheel and a tarmac cutter are missing. Cars, will you go and find them for us? Oh, has the red car seen something? Oh no, someone threw some trash onto the grass. Lots of trash. But all this trash should go into the trash bin, shouldn't it? Red car, please put that banana peel into a recycle bin for organic waste. The old plastic bottle goes in the plastic waste bin, and the paper wrapper goes into the paper waste bin. Has the blue car found something? Oh look, there's a wheel up in that tree. Clever blue car. Ah, look, the green car found the cutter for the truck. The yellow car will help him to pull it out. Ha! Well done, cars. Okay, put the wheel on and attach the tarmac cutter. Great! Now, let's go to work. So now, the tarmac truck will cut off the old broken layer of tarmac. Can you see all the bits coming out from the chute and going onto the truck? And in the next video, the 4 cars will help to finish the road repair with another special tarmac truck. Oh, the road is broken. In the middle of this road is a big hole. Cars, we need to fill this hole so cars, buses and trucks can drive on the road again. So how can we repair it? Ah, the clever cartoon cars are bringing buckets of asphalt stones to fill the hole. But look, that's not enough to fill the hole. Shall we ask the truck to bring some in its truck bed? Hey, truck and excavator, will you help us fix the road, please? The excavator loads asphalt stones into the truck's bed. And the truck pours the asphalt into the hole. But the road is still not finished. We need a vehicle to make the road flat again. The cartoon cars know that to make the road flat, they must build a road roller. Are there any parts in the paint store? Nothing in there, but the blue car got splashed with paint. Wash off the paint with this hose, blue car. Oh look, here are 2 wheels for the road roller. Let's take them with us. The green car is looking for road roller parts in the ball pool. That's not a part. And that's not a part either, green car. Here's something. Great! It's the body of the road roller. The yellow car is searching for parts in the maze. Ah, she found the frame for the road roller. Take it away. The red car is looking in the garages. No parts here. Oh, all the balls fell out, but no parts. But in this garage, there is a big, heavy roller for our new vehicle. So now we have all the parts, let's build the road roller. We attach 2 wheels to the body, another 2 wheels, then the frame, and lastly the roller fixes onto the frame. Now our road roller is ready to work. The road roller rolls its heavy roller over the asphalt stones. This vehicle compacts the road to make it flat again, and the hole has gone. The road repair is complete.